Top 5 Best Printer 2026. Hi guys, are you looking for the best printer? If you received a new printer, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best printer on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. Introducing the FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. An advanced multi-roller printing solution designed for precision and efficiency. It features an intelligent filament system that allows for seamless multi-roller printing, enabling more creative and complex designs. The printer includes a one-click auto-leveling feature for quick and effortless setup, ensuring perfect first-layer accuracy every time. With a high-speed performance capability of up to 300 mm per second, maximum working speed of 600 mm per second, it significantly enhances productivity. The device is equipped with a 0.44 mm nozzle and achieves a precision of 0.1 mm, producing highly detailed and smooth prints. Number 2. The FlashForge Adventure 5M 3D Printer is designed for high-speed performance, achieving printing speeds up to 300 mm per second, making it suitable for rapid prototyping and production. It includes full auto-leveling for easy setup and consistent first-layer adhesion. The advanced direct extruder is compatible with various filaments such as PLA, PTG, TPU, and carbon fiber composites, enhancing its versatility. The printer features a flexible PI build plate for easy model removal and accommodates a maximum print size of 220x220x220 mm, allowing for intricate designs. It supports multiple slicing software including FlashPrint 5, Cara, and Prusa, offering workflow compatibility. Number 3. The FOMO 241 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer is a compact, efficient device tailored for shipping and labeling purposes in home and office settings. Utilizing advanced thermal printing technology, it produces clear monochrome prints at a resolution of 203 dpi without the need for ink or toner. Its wireless Bluetooth capability allows for easy pairing with various devices, including iPhone, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, enhancing versatility. The printer boasts high-speed label printing capabilities of up to 72 pages per minute, making it a productivity booster for small businesses and personal use. It supports 4x6 shipping labels and employs thermal paper, which contributes to its cost-effectiveness and low-maintenance nature. Number 4. The FOM 421 Label Printer is a compact 4x6 thermal label maker that excels in shipping and commercial applications. It utilizes advanced thermal printing technology, producing clear labels at a resolution of 203 dpi without requiring ink or toner. The printer features Bluetooth connectivity for easy wireless pairing with smartphones and PCs, and it offers a fast printing speed of up to 20 pages per minute, making it ideal for high-demand environments. Its roll-fed paper system allows for continuous label printing, which boosts productivity and minimizes downtime. With a built-in battery, the printer provides true portability for label printing anywhere. Number 5. The wireless Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer is a proficient device for rapid 4x6 label printing. Featuring a high-quality 300 dpi resolution for clear labels suitable for shipping barcodes and business applications. It provides Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing with Android, iPhone, Mac, and Windows devices, enhancing operational flexibility. The printer boasts a remarkable speed of up to 35 pages per minute (ppm), efficiently handling high-volume tasks. Its automatic paper feed system simplifies label loading, ensuring ongoing productivity. Supporting both wired and wireless network printing, it accommodates various work setups. Designed for commercial usage, it is capable of printing labels up to A3 size, broadening its application range. Thanks for watching the video.